and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. Here at Cheap Joe's are always in the mood to come up with something new and fantastic for you art aficionados. And today is no exception. I want to introduce you to a new Cheap Joe's exclusive product called our new Kilimanjaro Black Books. It is actually a watercolor sketchbook that we have available in 2 sizes. We have in a 5.5 by 8.5 and an 8.5 by 11. And they are a spiral bound, hardcover watercolor book filled with 25 sheets of our Kilimanjaro natural white cold pressed paper. It's 140 pound, all acid free, 100% cotton rag, only the best stuff, but it's a really great shape and size. The small one is $14.99 and this larger one is $24.99, and it is filled with only the best watercolor paper. So this is our natural white, not our Kilimanjaro original white. So this has more like of a vanilla color to it, but the same texture, touch, feel, absorbency as the original Kilimanjaro. A really great price. Super handy, folds flat, easy to carry. So check out a Kilimanjaro Black Book. They are fantastic. So we are sure you're gonna enjoy.